Hi friends, my introduction to foreign trade policy was done in the year 1974 by my then boss, very well known industrialist, Mr. Sudhakar Kasture. And you know what he told me? He said this is the Bible for exporters. So my study of foreign trade policy dates back to roughly 49 years now, and I would be extremely happy to tell you that this is something everyone must learn so that he understands how to expand his business in global area. Foreign trade policy is primarily a future direction of exports as to how India is going to grow in the next 5 years. And this is extremely important for all of us to understand because we have huge target, and being president of G20 for the year 2023, we have great opportunity to showcase what we can do for us to grow. Currently, our exports are calendar year 2022 roughly $422 billion. $1 billion is 8,200 crores. You can imagine the size. We have a target of $1,000 billion in export, and therefore new foreign trade policy will give lot of material, lot of insight and direction as to how we should grow in our global footprint. We have been awaiting for the policy for almost 3 years now. The old policy expired in 2020. We are waiting for new policy. It's good chance. So all our current problems and our future prospects will be explained in the new policy, and it will be a good step to understand that so that we can increase our growth.